What is up, guys? Got another video going on today. So I just bought some stuff for the new car. Got some super basic mods. I just needed something. I don't have money right now because, I mean, obviously I just put a huge down payment on this car, so that kind of drains the bank a little bit, but I had to do something because I want to work on cars. So we got some LED lights. The classic, you know, little tasteful mods that you got to do to your car just to give it a little extra spice. So we got some interior lights, and then we got some reverse lights, and we'll have some more coming in the future, but for now, that's about all I got. So we're gonna go grab them out of the mail, and we're gonna put them in. So I just finished going through all the mail, got a couple envelopes, tax returns, you know, it's that time of the season. But this right here is the important package. For the install, I recommend using some plastic trim removal tools. And for this car, since it's stupid and you can't get the plastic trim tool in there, going to need a really small tipped screwdriver, hopefully one that I haven't broken. I think that one's good. Yep. All right, cool. Actually, no, you know what? Let's not be stupid here. Let's put that one back. I have a whole case of tiny little screwdrivers. We're gonna take that instead. And it's easiest if you go in from the passenger side, at least in the coupe, because you can, oh, excuse my jacket right there. You can lean this seat forward and access the light up there at the top. You know what? I sat in the back of one of these cars at the dealership, and it was comfy, but you know what? I almost think I like this one better. I am like 6 foot, 6'1", and you can see I have like zero headroom back here. I mean, my head is like less than half an inch away from the window with the hat on, but it's not bad. I mean, I'm a little bit reclined. If we put this seat back, this is not all the way back, but I mean, I've got some leg room, plenty of, it's not bad. I could totally ride back here for a couple hours. So definitely enjoying the back seat. Anyways, we're not here to talk about the back seat. We are here, oh, I can't get the freaking lever. Here to talk about this. Ugly color needs to be pure white. It's gross. Let's change that. That weird noise at the end of that film was my cat. Hi, cat. What is your name? Okay, bye. All right. Oh, little bugger. There we go. Got our tiniest of tiny screwdrivers. 1 millimeter. Tiny tip Tim. That's what we'll call them. And we're just going to shove them up in here, as you can see. And then we're just going to, oh, it's really hard to do on film. Pry down a little bit. And keep on prying. And then you're going to, I can't show this on film, you're going to grab this part with your finger and pull down. So I'm just going to hold the screwdriver and the camera in the same hand. And pull down. Boom. Look at that. Cover is off. So we need to turn this thing off so that way we don't get electrocuted. Just kidding. No, I'm going to wait for that light bulb to cool down. We're going to take one of these small little dudes and stick him in there. I had a slight issue getting it in. It was actually really loose before. Now you can see it's nice and tight. So the easiest way to get this little dude out is to pull down on it, which loosens these little clips right here, and then you can just kind of slide them out. But that creates a problem, because when you go back in to push this one in, it just kind of wiggles around in there. So then you like have to go like that, and then it only turns on when you push it up like that, because then it's contacting down here and up here. It's a mess. So easiest way, pull down on this, pull that bulb out, stick your finger in there, push up on these little metal clips and bend them up, then shove that one in hard, and boom, it's like that. So we're gonna test this out, see. As you can tell, as it's blinding the camera, it works really well. So this cover, super easy to remove. I'm just gonna show you on this one how I did it. So I just stuck Tiny Tip Tim up here and then bent him downwards. Oh, gotta get him a little farther up there. There we go. And then it kind of loosens that side, and then we're going to stick him up here. Come on, Tim, get up there. And you're just gonna pull down, and it might turn on your light in the process, but it'll pop loose this side right here. Then you can just sort of like give him a little wiggle, and boom, comes off. So thank you, Honda, for being nice. And then if your light turns on, just press that thing, it'll turn it back off. Alright guys, got the LEDs in. Literally was just as simple as pulling them out and pushing the new ones in. Super easy to pull out, not like this one where you gotta do weird stuff with it. Anyways, I have to say these fit really nicely in there. They, you know, they're not any longer than the stock bulbs. They're not gonna cause any issues putting the covers back on. And they're plenty bright. So, basically just gonna, there's these little clips at the end of here that these things right here line up into. So you're just gonna wanna slide that up there and then put that one on there and then just press and boom, works like a charm. So here's the trunk bulb. I have found that it is actually the same, so we can use those same LEDs. It hopefully is bright enough. We will find out. This one's super easy to remove. On the right side over here, you just stick your finger in there and just go dink, and it pops right out. And so you don't burn yourself. And also try not to electrocute yourself in the process. Going to, see if I can do this with one hand, undo this power connector right here. Nope, okay, I'll pull that out. Anyways, right here, undo this power connector, pull it off, wait for the bulb to cool down, pull it out, slap one of these little dudes, sorry my trunk's dirty, I just got home from vacation. Slap one of these dudes in there, and you should have an LED. Alright guys, I gotta say, out of all three of those bulbs, this one was probably the easiest to replace. Alright guys, so, easiest way to get these out, I'm gonna pull on this rubber trim right here. Just the two screws in the front, one here, one down there, and there's two little push tabs right here. Just press into here, and then you just grab the tail light and wiggle it out a little bit, and then you can get access to the bulbs. The reverse one is gonna be this little guy down here. Just gonna grab him, and we're gonna twist him. If I can twist him while holding the camera, there we go. And then the casing is just gonna come right out. And then we're gonna pop that bulb out and stick the new one in. I'm an idiot. Bought the wrong bulbs. So, I think they either changed them for 2019 or they're completely different on the coupe than the sedan, because, as you can tell, push down, twist, and this one comes out. It's got this round connector, and the ones that I bought that were supposed to work for this car don't. They're the same push-in kind, and as you can also tell, it's like double the size of the stock one. And it definitely doesn't go in there and like stay, because you can see the connectors that type where the, I think that's probably the feed and then the bottom's the ground. So, not that type. And if you go over here, the reason why I think they're either different on the coupe or changed for 2019, so you have a, just so convenient, you have a 2018 Civic sedan here, and if you look in there, you can sort of see right there, it looks like it's the push-in style. So, instead of returning them, probably just end up putting them on my mom's car, and having to buy another set for this one. So that's too bad. Anyways, got the interior ones installed. Fail things. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of the sun here. Thanks for watching this video. Kind of by myself today, a little chill video. I'm gonna be heading to a buddy's house probably sometime tomorrow, and we're gonna be working on either his or his friend's Miata, and so I will definitely be filming that. And we got a lot of stuff coming for this car, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, go ahead and watch my introduction video where I introduced this car and explained what happened to the last one and why I haven't been doing YouTube in a while. So, anyways, thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Just because I decided not to make another video, I just ran over here under the 2 bolts, popped tail light out over here. Lo and behold, bulbs fit perfectly fine on the 18 sedan. So, one of two things. They changed them on the 19, or they're different on the coupe. I haven't determined which one yet, but they work on here. They're super bright. If I look at them, I can't see anything for at least 5 seconds afterwards, so I look through them through the camera. Boom! That is really bright compared to like the dullness of that. I mean, it's just like a, you can't really tell. Well, I guess you can kind of tell on camera. Looks way better, much brighter, easier to see at night. Worth the 12 bucks. Serious LED. Get yourself a pair. Now to end the video. Peace.